Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, heart pounding, after realizing you've lost access to your Tide account? It's a terrifying experience, one that can leave you feeling lost and alone in the digital world. But fear not, because today, we're going to dive deep into the steps you can take to recover your Tide account and get back on track. Understanding the problem. Before we get into the recovery process, let's take a moment to understand why you might have lost access to your account in the first place. Common reasons include forgotten password. It happens to the best of us. Sometimes, we simply forget the complex passwords we've set. Compromised account. Unfortunately, online scams are on the rise. Hackers may attempt to gain unauthorized access to your account. Account suspension. Tide may suspend your account due to suspicious activity or violations of their terms of service. Step 1. Reset your password. If you've forgotten your password, the easiest way to regain access is by resetting it. Here's how. Go to the Tide login page. Click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address associated with the account. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Step 2. Contact Tide support. If resetting your password doesn't work where you suspect your account has been compromised, it's time to reach out to Tide support. They can help you. Verify your identity. Resolve any issues with your account. Provide guidance on recovering your funds. Additional tips for account recovery. Check your email. Tide may send important notifications or instructions to your registered email address. Be patient. The recovery process can take time, especially if your account has been compromised. Review Tide's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Tide's policies to avoid future issues. Consider two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Preventing future account loss. To prevent future account loss, consider these tips. Create strong passwords. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid sharing your login credentials. Never share your password with anyone. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of emails or messages asking for personal information. Monitor your account activity. Regularly check your account for any unusual transactions or changes. Losing access to your Tide account can be a frustrating experience, but with the right steps, you can recover it. Remember to be patient, follow the instructions carefully, and don't hesitate to reach out to Tide support for assistance. By taking these precautions, you can protect your account and ensure a smooth financial experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.